Snail Race. Written by Lee Hye-in, 킨더랜드 Publishing. Daltuk is smart and hardworking. Daltung loves to eat. Dalpung is fast and strong, like a gust of wind. Dalsim is timid and worries a lot. It's an autumn day when the rice turns golden. In the bushes beside the road, the snails are busy getting ready for their race.
Oh, all racers are in position.
I can feel their determination.
All right, racers, remember, just like we practiced, stay on your own path. Focus, everyone. Remember, so everyone stays safe, no looking around, eyes forward, crawl straight ahead. Ready? Go!
The snail racers push off with energy.
Daltung surges ahead at amazing speed.
Dalpung darts to the front.
Dalsim picks up the pace.
Uh-oh, the weather looks rough.
Crack! Lightning flashes and rain pours down.
But our racers keep crawling through the downpour.
Gulp! Their breath is tight, but they can't stop now.
Huff! Just a little farther.
50 meters left, only 50.
So tired.
Pushing with all their might, they inch forward.
The finish line is in sight. Daltuk is the strongest contender, and passing him will be tough. Will Daltuk take the win?
I'm exhausted. When will this end?
There's still time.
Keep going, just a little more.
Must catch up to Daltuk. Huh? I'm falling down.
What's happening? Dalsim!
Dalsim!
Dalsim, are you okay? I hope it's not serious.
Dalsim!
One, two, three. Wow, what an amazing sight. Push!
Phew, thanks.
The racers are moving again.
Yes, keep going to the very end. Not much farther now.
They crawl on once more. Slow and steady, they keep going.
Gulp, gulp.
That was fun, wasn't it?
Next time, I'll come in first.
Yum.
Wow, wasn't today's race incredible?
A race we'll remember for a long, long time.
And today, the snail keeps on going.